Haffaday and welcome to another weekly segment of Live Life Healthy, brought to you by the FHP Health Center. Haffaday and welcome to Live Life Healthy. This week we sit down with FHP radiologist Andrew Graves, who will educate us on breast cancer screening and awareness. Cancer in general represents a group of diseases in which normal cells within the body become abnormal at a genetic level, often growing out of control, no longer listening to the normal signals in the body.
So in the case of breast cancer, you have the normal cells within the breast tissue, whether it be the cells within the ducts or within the lobules, those being the most common origins.
Graves says that the DNA in those cells change in a way often growing out of control. But how do you know if the cells within your breast are changing?
First off, it's important to understand that breast cancer at an early stage is completely silent. And this is the point at which screening regimens or recommendations are aimed at diagnosing at this stage, because this is where it's the most treatable. But when breast cancer does present itself, the most common is a painless lump.
Other presentations include persistent changes within the breast.
So that can be swelling, pain, or thickening of the skin, or you can have changes within the nipple. So there's erosion, retraction or inversion of the nipple, or spontaneous nipple discharge.
The most important being spontaneous bloody nipple discharge. If you notice a painless lump or if you notice changes within your breast, it is important to alert your doctor to those findings. About 1 in 8 women will develop an invasive form of breast cancer. 85% of those women will not have family history of breast cancer.
So that leaves about 5 to 10% of women will have either a family history or some kind of known genetic predisposition to cancer. Also important is that breast cancer death rates are among the highest, second only to lung cancer.
It's important to understand that breast cancer is a serious issue and that breast cancer screening takes that into account, as there are several risk factors involved in the formation of breast cancer. Risk factors that you do have control over are alcohol consumption, postmenopausal obesity, menopausal hormone replacement therapy, and also having a history of never breastfeeding. Women who are at an average risk should have a mammogram done annually, while those at an intermediate risk or high risk should screen more frequently. That's all for this week. Until next week, live life healthy, Guam.